Hey, today is October the 10th, and Ginger's litter is now 2 weeks old. Let's see, where is purple over there? There's the purple one. Purple collar, that is Ahsoka. Pink collar, that's Suki. Red collar is Poe, right there. The blue collar is Nino. I think it's Nino or Nino. I'm not sure which. Aaron, get back to me. Let me know. And the black collar is Honey. Let me see. Hold on one second. I think. Okay, it is Nino. Got it. Nino. And there's Mom taking a break. You can tell when it's nice and warm in the house because they're all pretty much separated. If it gets chilly, they all gather together.